Hi, Zoe. This is Aunt Annie, and I have another story for you. I hope you and Daddy and Mommy are doing good and that you are all staying safe and healthy. Our story today is called Unicorn and Horse. I'm not sure what sound a unicorn makes. This is Unicorn, and this is Horse. Unicorn is a unicorn, and Horse is, well, not. Unicorn has a sapphire horn, a silver coat, a rainbow mane, and perfect white teeth. Horse does not. Unicorn eats pink cupcakes for every meal. Horse does not. Unicorn makes rainbows. Horse makes something else. Unicorn dances tra-la-la-la-la. Horse sits grumpy. Blah, 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 blah. Unicorn prances. Ha 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 ha. Horse paws frumpy. Horse looks frumpy. Paw, paw, paw. Unicorn makes everything cheery. Whee! Really cheery. La la wee! Horse does not. Of course, all the animals love Unicorn. He has a horn for Squirrel to play ring toss, and Bird lines her nest with his long, beautiful hair. And everyone loves sharing his cupcakes. "Won't you join us, Horse?" said Unicorn. "No, I don't like you," said Horse. Oh, that's not very nice, huh? I think he's having a rough day. But what he meant was, "I wish I were you." Unfortunately, not everyone who heard about Unicorn was a happy or unhappy animal. A rainbow dancing unicorn who eats cupcakes for breakfast could make someone a lot of money. One night, while everyone was asleep, two men crept into Unicorn's paddock. Quietly as they could, they tied a startled unicorn in ropes and loaded him into the back of their truck. Then they were off. The other animals awoke when they heard the truck. "Hurry! They're stealing Unicorn!"
"But I can't run fast enough to catch them,"
said Squirrel.
"And I can't fly fast enough,"
cried Bird.
I can't run on the road,"
said Fox.
"And I can't run at all,"
said Turtle. Only one animal could. Horse thought, and thought, and thought. Then he ran. And ran, and ran. And with 6 great chomps of Horse's large teeth, Unicorn was free. "Thank you," said Unicorn.
"You're welcome,"
said Horse. Oh, look, he's giving him a cupcake. This is Horse, and this is Unicorn. Sometimes Horse eats cupcakes, and sometimes Unicorn eats hay. Sometimes Horse makes rainbows, and sometimes Unicorn does not. Horse likes races. Unicorn likes ring toss. But most of all, they like each other.
"Oh, that's very sweet."
Horse and Unicorn are friends, and that's better than anything, even pink cupcakes. Well, good night, my darling. I hope you and Mommy and Daddy have a lovely evening. I will record another story when I can. I hope you're doing well, Zoe. I miss you. And I will hopefully get to see you guys soon. So good night, and I love you all.